In this video tutorial, we will see how to create courses. In the menu on the left you can create lessons or courses. What is the difference? With lessons, I can schedule a series of activities, for example, throughout the year, and they will be activities that the user can book individually. The case of courses is different. The course consists of a package of lessons with precise dates, and the user necessarily enrolls in all the lessons of that course. In this case, I select an image. I remind you that inside the gallery you have hundreds of images divided into various product categories, and you just click on the heart to add the image into the favorites, so you can find it faster the next time. Now I select an image for my tango course. Here I can write a description, and here I can enter the number of available places and the time limits for registration and unsubscription. Other features such as credits, instructor options and booking options can be found in a dedicated tutorial. I'm gonna schedule my class. For example, every Monday, from this date until this date, and I can add other days and change the starting time or duration. I can repeat this by adding or removing programming rules. Now I save my course for the moment without publishing it, and in this section, I can already see all the scheduled lessons within this course. If I enter the app with the user's profile, I see that within the courses, there is still nothing because I have not published it. My unpublished course can be found instead inside the calendar in gray color or inside the list of activities colored differently than a lesson. I now return to my course and decide to publish it. So, once published, if I return to the user's profile, the customer in his app within the courses will find the tango course. Clicking on it, he will see the characteristics of this course, the photo, the limits of registration and unsubscription, and, below, all the lessons of the package of this course. The customer will then sign up for all these lessons with a single click, and once signed up, he will find all these events in his phone's calendar. We book it, and we'll find it, in green, here and in the book section, along with the other lessons. Now we return to the home page and, as we see, this is one of the first lessons of the course, and we already have a reservation. If I click in this section, I see which clients have made the reservation.